original singer. In the olden days, you never have the one where you have your foot a press. You have to have this, a spin man, and a stitch at the same time. You get me? You never have the one where you electrical one, you just press and it keeps stitching. No. This was the original singer. When you stitch, you have to have your eyes open. Because if you're steering, the stitches will hold your finger. So you have to keep whining and keep looking how you put in your leathers. And this is singer machine, sewing machine. The original sewing machine, this. So all who don't know it, you know, have a good close look on it. It's the best one, you know. I'm going to fix it up right now, highly up, you know. The new one, them no better than this one, you know. See it there. Singer. Still a work. Older than me are 3 times of us. Singer. You never have the one where you plug in and up. This. See it there, the nigga can come up your... Me I told you. And the best machine never make a singer, see it here. Sewing machine.